far as you know. I have to suffer this feelings alone. Tired of waiting for small steps you've done. Could it be worse, or are we possible? 'Cause I'm getting tired of us. Meet me after school when there's people all around. I don't have to blame you over things we're going now. Yet I didn't give a lot of attention to myself. Maybe one day we get older, versions of the best. Meet me after school when there's tables all around. Funny how without a silence ever fix it all. Now we both separated and astray, just like a dog. Find a better person, but it's you I'm thinking about. You make one day feels better and others is not. Fighting with my thoughts are delusional. Could it be worse, or is it possible to have you with me in another room? 'Cause you're my greatest. I am mine to fight alone. You're my greatest. I will forget you on my heart. You're mine. Meet me after school when there's people all around. Cookies I lent you make them think about us now. Either I got hated or I get praised for my choice. I will never regret to have you around my love.